A fractured heart is all I hold. Each step feels heavy, the nights are cold. I built a dream that fell apart. Still I carry the weight of a broken heart. The whispers linger, calling my name. A fleeting ghost, but it's not the same. I reach for shadows, but they fade. Please guide me through this haze. I gave my all, but the echoes stayed. Every path I took seemed to fade. The light I chase now feels so far. A wish lost in a falling star. Chasing rain. All I know, I'm trapped beneath this endless pain. How many roads did I walk alone? Every turn led back to the unknown. I saw the cracks before the fall. Still I carried through it all. Your voice remains like a quiet tune, a haunting melody under the moon. The strings are frayed, the notes decay. Gave my all, but the echoes say. Every path I took seemed to fade. The light I chase now feels so far. A wish lost in a falling star. All I know, loving you feels like chasing rain, rain. Keeps calling, but I stand my ground, searching for a love that can't be found. I'm done with shadows, done with blame. Free me now from this endless rain. Through every tear I'll find my way, but echoes of you still haunt my days.